Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today we're looking at this Civic. I'm going to be pointing out the pre and post O2 sensors. Look in the description for a link to buy them if you need them. Like, subscribe, and share while we're watching.
Alright, done this one many times. I don't think I did the O2 sensors though. Here is your pre-cat or bank 1 sensor 1 oxygen sensor. This car gets a crack right here a lot. Your post-cat O2, here's the connections for both. Your post-cat O2 is on the bottom side. Right there. And that's it.